Pow, pow, it's your boy OG, man. Welcome back to Fitness OG. This is Train Everyday Series. Yo, this is OG, and this is Fitness with OG, man. This is the Train Everyday Series, man. And we gonna get it in, man. It's a big chest day. We gonna be doing some incline bench press for chest. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start off with a nice 25 pounder. We're just gonna start repping that to failure. I wanna pretty much grow my chest, man, especially my top half of the chest, because I feel like my top half, you know what I'm saying, needs growth, you know what I mean? So I was like, you know what, let me do some incline bench today, you know what I mean? And I seen the area wasn't as packed as it usually be, so I was like, you know, I ran to that incline bench with the quickness, you hear me? Ran there to the quickness, man. I was like, nah, let me get this area before people take this area. Cause once this area is taken, that's it, man. That's it. Yeah, putting some 35s on. I'm gonna be doing the same thing, pretty much to failure. Taking my time, breathing, not rushing the set. But at the same time, you know, it's a big superset, so you know, I'm trying to get it in. I'm trying to get it in because I'm be doing a big drop set after this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Nice work, nice work. Let's take my time with it. We're gonna throw on some 45s on them hoes, man. You hear me? We're gonna throw on some 45s on it. You know? And we're gonna be taking our time. We're gonna be relaxing. You know? Trying to push it to the max. I'm definitely gonna see if I can hit a nice PR incline bench because I haven't done it in such a long time. But I definitely need to start getting to the habit of doing incline bench, especially, you know, doing it with the barbell instead of dumbbells. Like, I love dumbbells, don't get me wrong. But, you know, I don't feel like I do it as much with dumbbells as well, too. So, you know, I probably got to do a little bit of both. You know what I'm saying? I'll pretty much do both. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change my regiment next week. But you know how it is, man. Sometimes when you got an hour, you know what I'm saying, 2 hours, you can only pack in, you know, as much workouts as you can. You know, I'll be trying to pack in like at least 6 to 8 workouts in the 1 hour frame. So, yeah. Time management is a bit, you know what I mean? You know how that shit go. You know what I mean? And here I'm doing some bench press, man. 45s on it. I'm about to start adding more. I'm about to put a 10 on each side. About to keep on pushing myself up. With that chest to grow, man. Same thing, we're gonna take our time. Also, guys, if you see me doing anything wrong in this video, let me know. Point it out. You know what I'm saying? Help correct me. You know what I'm saying? So we could, you know what I'm saying, evolve together. You know what I mean? Because I ain't know how to say this. You know, I'm not no person that'll be like, oh, I can't take no constructive, you know what I'm saying, criticism. Like, I'd rather constructive criticism any day. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what it is. You know what I'm saying? Keep it real. You feel me? So, yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. So, if you see me doing something wrong, you see my form could need some work, if you need me to follow through more, let me know, man. Leave it in the comments below, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep it a bean with me, man. Because we are, you know, we're here to grow. We're here to elevate. We're here to teach each other, you know, and we're here to grow together. So, that's all I gotta say. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you see what's on that one. Like, that's 145 on each side and another, what's that, 25 on each side? Yeah, we pushing it up. We're going to try and see if we can hit that 2 plates. I'm trying to see if I go over the 2 plates, to be honest. But we'll see, you know what I'm saying? It's been a while. It's been a while, man. But I'm having fun on Incline bench press today. I don't know. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice work. Nice work. Something calm. Something calm. You see how I put that up? That's something calm, man. Now we're going to put the 45s on there. You feel me? No, oh, my fault. The 35s on there. Putting the 35s before the 45s. Man, it's getting real, man. We're approaching that 225, man. Almost at that 225. Yeah, remember to take my time, man. We're approaching that 225 mark. It's like 205, 210, 215 or something. I think, nah, this is like 215, something like that. Yeah, something like that. 215 or something, yeah. Calm work. Oh, this is 210. I'm not quite sure, man. I know I'm pushing this weight, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. 1, come on. 2, come on. 3, come on. 4, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Whew. Man, I ain't gonna fry. I was stressed on that one. And it's crazy because I'm still going up. Like a bad man. Fuck it, though. You know? Here to challenge myself once again, man. It's crazy because I love doing incline bench. I think I love it more than I do regular bench. You know what I'm saying? That's why I be even mad when I can't even use the area because somebody using the area. You know what I mean? People be taking over the area. Next thing you know, I have to wait a whole hour or two, you know what I'm saying, to use the area. And then when I get to use the area, somebody else, takes over the area. So it's like, I'd rather just, you know what I'm saying, wait till a regular bench opens up. You know what I'm saying? Usually it'll be like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, give and take. You know what I'm saying? That sometimes I might even take up to an area depending on how, why I say area. 1 hour, you know what I'm saying? That definitely might take up to 1 hour. Why I say area? What the fuck going on? That's when you know I'm tired, man. I'm just tired today. Just tired. You know what I'm saying? I'm just tired. Decided to give y'all this content too, you know? Because we ain't going to make excuses. We're going to keep on working. You feel me? We're going to keep on working. Just added another 10 on each side. Yeah, we're going to put in that work. We're going to try and see if we can lift up this for 2 to 3 reps. It's crazy because I went over 225. It's beautiful. Now I'm putting, I'm just adding more weight. You know what I'm saying? At this point, I'm just going to the max. Trying to see if I can hit a nice PR. I think the highest I looked on this, on incline bench, was 3.25. I got to get back to that. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely got to get back to that. I think this is going to be my highest PR as of right now. Saying as of right now, I think this is, my highest PR. Yo, who knows, man? Maybe next week come on, push. Ooh-wee. God. Go for one more, just to feel. Push. See, that wasn't even bad. I just decided to go for an extra one just to see how it feel if I just, kept going on that one. See, if I'd have kept going on that one rep and continuously going, I'd have probably stopped. So that's when I'm like, you know what? Let me drop this shit down. But that was a good test of strength. That was a good test of strength because at the same time, I still was able to do it one time for 2 times. So now we got to work on building that strength for doing it for, 2 times continuously. And then, the next goal is 3, 4th and so forth. So, we're going to keep on working. We're going to keep on working. And we're going to start bulking up soon, guys. We're definitely going to start bulking up soon. I just ordered some products, but it's not what I hoped it would be. You know what I'm saying? When you buy something, you be like, why did I buy this? Yeah. Disappointing. Right now, I'm doing a big drop set, like the drop set I was telling you I was going to do. We dropping all the way down. We're going to keep on dropping and keep on dropping until we can't do no more. But, yeah, I just bought something, and it was just, I wish I could take it back. I feel like I could take it back, but then it's just, oh, man. It's just a hassle. You know what I mean? Because then I'm going to have to report it to the point where it's like, just to even take that shit back, it's just, yeah, I'm good. I am going to keep the product. What I am going to do is I am going to test the product for like a good 15 days. And I'm going to let you know how I feel. I'm going to even put the product in the video. I'm just waiting for a shaker to come in the mail. Once the shaker come in the mail by next week, you know what I'm saying? Because I'll order another product too. Because this is insane. Like, it's not the product that I wish it was, man. That shit hurt my heart. You know what I'm saying? But it's all right. You know, you live and you learn. And I'm going to still test out the product because there's certain things I didn't like about the product and certain things I might like. You know what I'm saying? I bought the product. I only tested out for, what was it, yesterday? So I can't give you like a full... Yeah, I can't give you like a... Me personally, I don't know. I can't give you a good review on it as of right now. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out for 15 days, man. I'm going to make a separate video. I'm going to put it in the comments. No, I'm gonna upload the video while I said put it in the comments. But I'm gonna upload the video sometime this week, man, so y'all can see what I'm talking about, man. Cause that shit make me mad as mug. I ain't gonna lie. That shit got me hot. But it is what it is, man. I'm probably gonna wait till my serious mask come in the mail. Something like that, man. That's usually what I take when I'm trying to like gain weight. Serious mask. So I'll probably wait till that come in the mail, honestly, because I never go wrong with that one. You know what I'm saying? Usually I'll use that weight gainer for like 2 months, and then I'll cycle off, because I don't like using the weight gainer for any longer than that. Any longer than that, you're abusing the weight gainer, you're abusing the product. You know what I'm saying? You're doing too much. You know what I'm saying? Use the weight gainer for a good 2 to 3 months. Once you use a good weight gainer for 2 to 3 months, then you cycle off. You start your cutting. You know what I'm saying? The perfect time to use a weight gainer is like wintertime. Honestly. You know what I'm saying? Because that's when nobody want to come outside. You know what I'm saying? It's wintertime. It's like it's even, hibernation, season. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's inside doing all that. You know what I mean? So... in a sense, it's just like, hey, it's either that or I come in the gym and get it in. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Or work. So, you know what I mean? I decided to do this right here on my spare time. So, I'm going to get it in. For real, for real. I ain't going to waste no time, too. I'm going to try to hold it for a little while. Just to feel my muscles contract a little. That's the only time when I hold it for a little while, just to feel like my muscles contract. So it's like, that's why I love doing 3-second holds, you know what I'm saying? Because one, it helps me improve my bench, and two, helps me, explode on my bench, you know what I'm saying? Push with more power, push with more strength. So, yeah. Yeah, once we get to one plate, we're going to start doing 100 reps, man. We're definitely going to start doing 100 reps. It's going to be crazy. You figure me? It's going to be crazy. But check this out. We're going to get it done. You hear me? We going to get it done. I think this is when it happens, man. This is where we're going to do 100 reps, man. But thank you for staying tuned, man. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for showing love, man. I appreciate y'all for commenting, subscribing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all the best. You hear me? Y'all the best. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all, man. It's much love over here. You hear me? Much love, man. But here we gonna start doing our 100 rep. Y'all hear me? I appreciate y'all. Y'all don't hear that? Y'all don't hear the sound of greatness? Bah! Y'all the goats, huh? But I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. This is me doing 100 reps of incline. And we signing out. Peace.